This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the hood safety latch outward, then raise the hood. The cabin air filter is located in the cowl area in front of the windshield. Pull off the rubber weather strip, then lift off the cowl cover. Remove the retaining clip, then lift out the filter element. Making sure that the airflow arrow is pointing in the right direction, install the new filter element into the housing and reinstall the retaining clip. Reinstall the cowl cover, seating it evenly. Then seat the rubber weather strip along the front of the cowl.